When I first came to live in London, I quickly noticed a very particular feeling: the wind. In this city, wind is something real, something you can feel every day. But I also realized this isn't just my own experience. Wind is a kind of natural energy that all humans can sense. We've just gotten used to ignoring it. When we talk about using wind energy, most people think of big wind farms. They are efficient, centralized, and well managed. But they also mean that wind can only be collected, changed, and controlled by a few systems, and then passed on to the public. In this process, the connection between people and nature becomes distant. Individuals can't really touch, feel, or use the wind anymore. Wind turns into an energy resource managed by big systems. As a designer working in Design for Industry 5.0, I want to challenge this trend to break away from today's standards and systems. So I created a character called the Wind Catcher. They are volunteers who collect wind in the city, moving around like bees. The Wind Catcher's slogan is, "Everyone has the right to collect, use, and feel the wind." Their main tool is a wind-catching hat. The hat has a wind vane and a wind speed sensor, which can record the wind's data in real time and upload it to a shared online platform. I made several versions of the hat, inspired by shapes from different religions, because I see wind catchers as a symbol of belief. They believe people and nature can connect again. The wind vane at the top of the hat is not only an essential functional sensor that accurately detects wind direction, it also rotates in real time with the changing wind, helping the system record precise directional data. At the same time, it serves as a piece of personal expression and extension of the self. I designed it as a modular and customizable component, allowing users to easily swap it based on their mood, the weather, or personal interests. I imagine a future where people walk through the city wearing wind-catching hats of all kinds, not just to collect wind data, but also to show who they are. So, where does all this wind data go? On one side, it can be used in smart home systems. For example, a company that makes air systems could use this data to copy today's wind in London and bring that breeze into your room. So even sitting at home, you can feel the wind from London, bringing a kind of shared sensory experience. On the other side, I designed a follow-up device called swaying plants. These move based on wind data collected by wind catchers from any city, making it feel like a faraway breeze is gently blowing through your room. The 20-minute park effect theory proves that spending just 20 minutes in nature can clearly reduce stress, calm your nerves, and help your mood. Swaying plants brings this calming experience from the park into your home. I hope it can be a kind of virtual tool. The wind may not really be there, but you can still feel its rhythm and soft movement. To make this natural rhythm feel real, I did 3 different experiments. They're not perfect yet, and my biggest challenge now is how to mix new ideas and personal expression language into product design. But through this process, I've come to see that the rhythm of wind is not just about structure or form. It's also about feeling, emotion, and how we connect with nature. In this system, wind isn't just a source of energy, it becomes a message carrier, an emotional trigger, and a bridge to our bodies. We're no longer trying to control the wind. Instead, we're welcoming the wind to become part of our lives.